Hey guys, I just want to show you a really quick video. I picked up about 2 days ago. I picked up a whole bunch of interior new LED lights for my wife's Santa Fe XL, and they're bright. It's really cool. So I just wanted to show you really quickly what they look like, how good they are, and why you might want to upgrade because they look fantastic. They are, like I say, they're really bright, and they give your car your vehicle, I guess, that kind of that high-end look with the a nice like 6K, 6500K color, something like that. So I'll show them to you right now. I think you'll be pretty surprised, pretty impressed. I don't really have a comparison video to the old look, but pretty much everybody knows what the old orange, bulbs are like. They're dim, the map lights, everything else. You can barely see anything in them. So I think these you'll be quite impressed with the quality upgrade and the brightness upgrade. So check this out. How's that for a nice bright interior, eh? These LEDs are fantastic, and I can do even more light in here with the map lights as well. Look at these. It's insane, eh? One heck of an amount of light in here. So anyway, just wanted to show you that. They're quite impressive. They're not cheap. These bulbs, you can buy, like, I think Philips sells these bulbs for somewhere between 10 and 15 bucks. I got these ones from a guy that's closing down shop in a couple of months. Tool Time, actually, here in Whitby. Go over, check him out, help him clear out some of his stock, because these, he's shutting down end of June, I believe it is, 2018. So these are high intensity, or high output they're called technically. So as you can see, they do put out. They're really bright. Like they put out a lot of light. I'm not sure the exact lumen amount, but it's a lot. There's tons. So more than you need. And like I say, it gives it that nice bright 6,000 Kelvin, 6,500 Kelvin. But yeah, for the most part, 6,500K. Beautiful color and very bright. No lack of light in here right now. So the middle of the night, anytime. You open your doors, you can see everything inside and outside of the car. They're fantastic. So highly recommended. And if you don't mind, like I say, forking over a little bit extra money, they work great. So just wanted to show you that. One final shot of the inside of the car.